Thanks for watching the Council in Brief. I'm Susan Kennedy. We're here with the latest news of the Montgomery County Council. The council has returned from its winter recess with a full agenda, starting with work on a measure that would raise the minimum wage to $15 per hour by the year 2020. However, the bill has not come without controversy. Some in the business community say it could hurt their bottom line, while others argue raising the minimum wage would provide for a better quality of life for those workers.
We need to accomplish raising the minimum wage by considering all aspects of our actions.
The minimum wage issue has divided council members. However, during the council session, each expressed their individual concern about addressing poverty in Montgomery County. Before voting on the bill, a proposal to study the economic impact of raising the wage was defeated by the council in a 5-4 vote. And after a lengthy discussion before a packed hearing room, the bill to incrementally raise the wage to $15 an hour by 2020 passed with that same 5-4 vote. Members Elrich, Hucker, Leventhal, Navarro, and Reamer in favor, and Berliner, Florine, Katz, and Rice opposed. The vote makes Montgomery County one of the first jurisdictions in the nation to adopt legislation that addresses the minimum wage.
It is absolutely true that the wages that people make today are just unsustainable. You cannot take care of a family, raise a family on a minimum wage. Even when two adults are working, if they're working in the minimum wage, this is pretty much just an extraordinary lift.
My greatest concern is the lack of information, and I know my colleagues, all of whom I respect, all of whom I agree with on many, many topics, but on this one, I sincerely believe we have not gotten enough information to make certain that people stay employed.
The measure was passed with several amendments, including one that would give county businesses with less than 25 employees until 2022 to implement the higher wage. A second amendment would require the $15 per hour wage stay in place from 2020 until 2022. The amendments were introduced at the request of the county executive. However, there's still no guarantee he will sign this new legislation.
I think it is likely that he will veto this measure and that we therefore will have the opportunity to find a better balance for Montgomery County.
The county executive has 10 days to sign the measure. If he does, it will go into effect July 1st.
In an effort to provide additional health services to county residents, a new partnership has been launched with the county and NACo. And as we found out, this new program will offer direct health care savings to county residents. The NACo Live Healthy card provides relief to residents across the country who face high health care costs.
Good afternoon.
Montgomery County has announced it's launched a new partnership with NACo to participate in its Live Healthy program, which provides residents with dental discounts on an array of services. It also offers a low-fee health program that provides discounts on many services not covered by insurance.
We're all about doing everything we can to help residents in this community have access to needed health care services through the Affordable Care Act, the Montgomery County Cares Network of Clinics, and the Care for Kids program.
The Live Healthy program complements NACo's free prescription discount program, Montgomery RX, which the county joined in 2004. Since then, residents have saved more than $32 million in prescription costs. Councilmember Leventhal says programs like this are what make Montgomery County the healthiest county in the state.
If you take away nothing else from this is go get one of these Live Healthy cards. The card doesn't cost anything. And when you're getting your prescription filled, show it to your pharmacist. If you want the dental coverage and you want the vision and health screening coverage, there is a small monthly fee and you can decide whether or not you want to enroll in that. But simply getting the card, which is available at montgomerycountymd.gov, you can have it mailed to you. It doesn't cost anything. So everyone ought to get one of these, and every time you get your prescription filled, show it to the pharmacist and you could very well end up spending less.
The Live Healthy card is free. You can pick one up at any county library, rec center, or senior center, or you can visit the county website to have one mailed to you. Well, that does it for this edition of the Council in Brief. For County Cable Montgomery, I'm Susan Kennedy. Thanks for watching.